So the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is at a crazy discount right now. As you guys see, this is from phonearena.com. So if you guys want to take a look at the article, I'll leave a link in the description down below. So it says Samsung's grossly underrated Galaxy Tab S6 Lite tablet, which was released in May this year, is a staggering 39% off right now. The Galaxy Tab S6 Lite 2022 is an affordable tablet powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G chipset. Now I'm just gonna put my little 2 cents in here real quick. I've played with this tablet before. It's a great tablet. I actually picked it up, I believe, but it feels extremely premium. Very, very nice feeling tablet. It's basically like a fan edition series where you get the premium type of stuff that most people like about a tablet, like, you know, a decent processor, a decent screen, decent speakers, you know, some decent gameplay when you're playing games. It's pretty much that. It's a really, really premium tablet at a very, very low price. But anyways, it says it sports a 10.4-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 1200 by 2000 pixels and has 2 stereo speakers which deliver loud audio. It packs a 7040 milliamp battery and is among the few devices that have not ditched the micro SD card slot and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, I recommend this for anybody across the board. If your kids like playing games or watching movies on the tablet, this is going to be great for them because it's cheap and it's premium, so it's not going to break and stuff like that. They have a bunch of different cases and a bunch of different accessories for this as well. So if your kid wants to get into animation or art or different things like that, he can do his homework, or he or she can do their homework, or, you know, do their after school activities or whatever on it. Also for adults, you can get your work done on here. You can, I believe there's like keyboard attachments and other accessories and stuff like that as well. So this can kind of double as like your laptop, and it's a premium device. So it's not cheaply made. It has a decent processor, loudspeaker, beautiful display on this device for the price tag. Beautiful display, and we're going to talk about the price right now, but everything inside this device is just very, very solid for the price tag that they already had released it at. It says this slate is meant for basic everyday usage and is perfect for web browsing, media consumption, reading, and light gaming, and is even fine for occasional productivity use. It has a better build quality than other tablets in this price range and comes bundled with the S Pen stylus. So this is actually going to come bundled with the S Pen, so that's great to see, which is useful for jotting down notes and doodling. Other tablet markers such as Apple expect you to pay extra for a stylus. That's true. Apple be doing that lately. The device also supports Samsung DeX for a PC-like environment. That's another thing. So if you guys want to do your productivity on this tablet, we have Samsung DeX for you guys. So this device is offered at $135 off, and this is going to be at Best Buy, this is going to be at Amazon, and this is going to be at Samsung.com. $135 off. That's a whole 39% off the tablet, bringing it down, I believe, from its original price. Yeah, so the original price is $349.99. and it's currently available for $214.99. So amazing deal right here. It says 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of internal storage. And the great thing, it says this device is updated to Android 13 recently and will likely be supported for more than 3 years. A cheap tablet doesn't get any better than this, and I think that was a very, very good statement right there from Phone Arena. Again, thank you for the article. Beautiful tablet right here. Beautiful idea. If you guys are trying to look for like the last minute Christmas gift or a birthday gift for yourself or whatever, you may want to look into something like this, especially if anybody has used the Galaxy A53 5G or those mid-range types of phones. I think this will be a good pair for anybody that has that phone. So if you have a pair of the S6 Lite and that, I think you guys are going to have a good time with this tablet though. But beautiful tablet, beautiful stuff. Highly recommend. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. This has been TechRight. Peace out.